Hey y'all, so I got in the mood to want to install my Sims, so I found them, but this popped up, so I'm going to show you how to fix it. We're going to go to search, type in Registry Editor. I already have it here, so click on it. This screen will pop up. Click on High Key Local Machine. Then you're going to click on Software. Scroll down. You're going to click on Microsoft. You're going to keep scrolling for a little bit. So keep scrolling and scrolling and scrolling and scrolling until you get to Windows. Then you're going to scroll a little bit more and go to CurrentVersion. Then you're going to keep on scrolling until you get to Policies. Now you're going to go to where it says System. Click on that. It's going to show this screen. Click on Enable LUA. You're going to change that number 1 to a 0. Click OK, then you restart your computer, and that's it.